Our seventh problem is a very interesting combination of a parabola and an ellipse. We are given that if a tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 4x acts as a normal to the ellipse, then we need to find the equation of this tangent. So for any parabola y square is equal to 4ax, we have the equation of tangent as yt is equal to x plus at square, where at square comma 2at is any general point with parameter t lying on the parabola. Since in our case a is 1, so the equation of tangent becomes yt is equal to x plus t square, or x minus yt plus t square is equal to 0. Now as we did earlier, if a line is a tangent to two curves, then what we can do is we can write the equation of tangents for both the curves and compare them. Similarly in this case, what we can do is we can write the equation of tangent for parabola, the equation normal for ellipse, and we can compare both the equations. Now the ellipse is x square by 5 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. Any general point on this ellipse will be root 5 cos theta comma 2 sin theta. The slope of this will be equal to a by b tan theta, where a is root 5, b is 2. So the slope is root 5 by 2 tan theta. So we can write the equation of normal as y minus 2 sin theta is equal to root 5 sin theta by 2 cos theta into x minus root 5 cos theta. On rearranging, we get the equation of normal as 2y cos theta minus root 5x sin theta plus sin theta cos theta is equal to 0. This is the second equation. Now the equation first, which is the equation of tangent to the parabola, and the equation second, which is the equation of normal to the ellipse, are representing the same equation because it is the same line, that is the tangent to the parabola and at the same time normal to the ellipse. Hence we can compare the coefficients to get 1 upon minus root 5 sin theta, that is the coefficient of x that we have compared, is equal to minus t upon 2 cos theta, that is the coefficients of y that we have compared, is equal to t square upon sin theta cos theta. Now on comparing first and second, we get the value of t to be equal to 2 cos theta upon root 5 sin theta. And on comparing second and third, we have t is equal to this cos theta gets cancelled, minus sin theta by 2. Equating both these, we get 2 cos theta by root 5 sin theta is equal to minus sin theta by 2. This gives 4 cos theta is equal to minus root 5 sin square theta, which is 1 minus cos square theta. So this is minus root 5 plus root 5 cos square theta. Now this becomes a quadratic in cos theta. So we can solve for the cos theta. Root 5 cos square theta minus 4 cos theta minus root 5 is equal to 0. From this quadratic equation, we get the value of cos theta to be equal to root 5 and minus 1 upon root 5. Very obviously this is wrong. So value of cos theta is minus 1 upon root 5. So our sin theta is 1 minus cos square theta, that is plus minus 2 by root 5. Since our t was minus sin theta by 2, so our value of t is plus minus 1 upon root 5, and hence the equation of tangent can be found out by putting the value of t in xt is equal to y plus t square that we wrote earlier, to give x into 1 by root 5 is equal to y plus 1 by 5. This is the first equation, and the second equation that is possible is x into minus 1 upon root 5 is equal to y plus 1 upon 5. Hence in this question we learned how we can compare two different equations, one of which is representing a tangent to our first curve, and the second is in the second way this line is representing a normal to the second curve. Hence we can compare both the equations and get the parameters, and hence the final answer are the tangent to the parabola which is normal to the ellipse at the same time is x by root 5 is equal to y plus 1 by 5 or minus x by root 5 is equal to y plus 1 by 5. That is our final answer.